Alrighty guys, we're just sitting out here on the porch trying to relax. Been the shittiest day for entertainment on TikTok I have ever seen. But I did get something new in and I wanted to show it to you guys. This is called Higonokami. This is, and if I mispronounce that, sue me, I'm white, okay? But little pouch here. This is a Japanese style knife. They've been making these knives for probably well over 100 years. The traditional versions have a metal handle on it, but it still has this like style of opening. Now, wow, this is from Joyraining. That's a sleeper of a company right there, because the knives they are producing are insanely good. And yes, they are actual Damascus layered steel, and I'm going to show that to you right now. So that's the spine of the blade. You can actually see the layers in it where they grind it down, and that's the effect you get with the blade. That is not laser etching, that is the grind with the blade. And you can even see the ripples from the different layers in it. Now when you get your knife in, I'm going to forewarn you, they are insanely sharp. You like that? You want to see it again? So, excellent prices on these. This is the second Joyraining knife that I have actually gotten my hands on. The first one was amazing quality too. Wasn't a big fan of the handle and the way it was set up. I kind of like the minimalistic look of the Higonokami. The other one had a bunch of brass inlay on it and stuff. I didn't really like that one too much. The blade was amazing. It's just the design of the handle. This one I like. As a matter of fact, I liked it enough. Today I went on, after I got this in, and I ordered 2 other designs similar to this one. So when those come in, I'm going to show them to you as well. But check them out. Link is right there. Almost dropped it in my lap. Super smooth to open. This is not a flipper, okay? This is a slow open because of the tension on it. So just remember that. There you go, guys. You can see this is my daily carry here. This is what I carry. This is from another company that actually works really well with us here. This is by Lockbee. It's their little tool roll and journals. So there you go, guys.